loud. Hi, Autumn. How are you
Morning.
doing?
Good.
You had some questions about what you can do with your Google Workspace account, didn't you?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
specifically am excited about the booking calendar feature, and I would love to
Ooh,
get a little tutorial.
nice. Let me do that for you today. Let's see. I'm going to
Thanks.
share my screen. And hopefully you are looking at my calendar now.
Yes.
So once you log into your Google account, your cuddleparty.org account, after I assign it to you, you can get
Mhm.
to your calendar by going here and choosing calendar from your email. And so you have
Okay.
an email account, you have a calendar, you have everything that comes with the Google account. The first time you're going to want to come into create and choose appointment schedule. And this will activate your bookable appointment schedule, which is really cool here in Google, actually. I really love it. So you can add your title. I think my title is like Meet with Mary. Yeah, Meet with Mary S is my title. Once you have it here, you can access it this way to edit it. But I'll go back into the edit of the one I already have. So pretending like this is the first time, you're going to put your title, Meet with Autumn, meet with whatever, or however you want to title it, Autumn's calendar. And then you choose how long do you want people to be able to book with you for? An hour, 15 minutes, however, you can do a custom. Uh, and then you can set your availability. So you can set a regular weekly schedule, and then you can go in and adjust, like what days are you unavailable. So for instance, on Thanksgiving, I put in that I am not available because generally I do offer appointments from 9 to 5 on Thursdays. And if you wanted to change a date, you would just go in here and say, well, on the 28th, I am also not available, but I could change it to I'm only available from 9 to 12 on that day. So it's really nice to just put your schedule in. You have to go in periodically and make sure your schedule is updated, um, and so that you have a valid schedule. And you can see over here where it's kind of these blue boxes. That's where I have open times that anybody can book with me. And then you can offer some more settings down here. There's some more options of like, do I need 30 minutes between each one? Do I want to allow people to book only one appointment every day? So there's a bunch of different settings you can put in. You can also tell it to check your other Google calendars for availability. So for instance, my main calendar is here on this Google account. So it checks there to see if I have appointments, and that's showing up here as a green one. So these are my appointments
Perfect.
from my other calendar. Um, and then you can also, if you have an assistant who's helping you, you can book someone to be a co-host if you want. So that's how
Mhm.
you adjust it. That's how you set it up the first time, and that's how you go in to adjust it. So then you click on next, and you have some more options of all the things that you can put in here if you want it to be a phone call, if you want it to be on Zoom. For instance,
Mhm.
I've got one that says, "Thank you for scheduling with me. I'll meet you at the Cuddle Party Zoom room," and there's the link. But if you want a phone chat, you can tell me.
Mm.
And then, yeah, these are the things that it asks for, the information from the person who's booking. What's their preference for a meeting? What's their reason for meeting? So I'll show you that in a minute when somebody goes in to book something. And then it also sends reminders for you. So you can set that up of like, when do you want to send it a day before or 30 minutes before? There's a lot of functionality. Okay, so my calendar is set up now, and these are the times that I'm actually available to get booked. And
Mhm.
when I want to show somebody my calendar, I can go to preview. This is the link that you want to share with people, this link from this
Mhm.
page. And it comes here and it says, well, you can book an appointment on Wednesday at any of these times or on Saturday at any of these times. So, and I can see over here like which days I have appointments available on. And if I'm somebody who's trying to come and book an appointment with you, this is where I can say, uh, fill in my own contact information. I can say that I really would rather meet at my Zoom link, so there's somebody booking with you. And then they'll get an email back to confirm it. So yeah,
Mhm.
it's really slick. It works really well. I've really enjoyed having it. Do you have any questions how that works?
Yeah, I think one time I booked with you, I booked two 1 hour appointments back to back because I knew we were going to have a 2 hour meeting. Is that because you have a max of 1 hour?
That's right. Because
Okay, that makes sense.
I set my default to be 1 hour. And that works fine. I mean, if you know that you're only having 2 hour meetings with people booking with you if you're doing sessions or whatever, um,
Hmm.
you can set your default to there, or you just tell
Got it.
your people, yeah, exactly what you did. Book two back to back if you want a
Got
longer
it.
session. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. And
Yeah, that looks great.
yeah, isn't that fun?
I'm into
And
it.
and you have access to that already with your cuddleparty.org account. So yeah, I'm
Great. I
excited to
love it.
see how you feel after you get in there and check it out.
Thank you.
Okay, cool. You're welcome. All right. Stop recording. There it is, right there.